Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the smartest buys online. If you're looking for the best water filter under sink system, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful and compact unit that's getting attention for all the right reasons, the PUREPLUS under sink water filter. Whether you're battling chlorine taste, heavy metals, or just want crystal clear water straight from your tap, this system might just be your new kitchen essential. So what makes the PUREPLUS under sink water filter stand out from the competition? Let's start with performance. It boasts an impressive 22,000 gallon capacity. That's enough clean water to last most households more than 3 years. You won't be replacing filters every few months like with smaller systems. That means it's third-party tested for reducing chlorine taste and odor, which is a major issue in many municipal water supplies. According to lab testing, it removes up to 99.99% of chlorine. That means better tasting coffee, better cooking water, and of course, fresher hydration. The build quality is sleek and functional. It's designed to install directly under your sink using a direct connect system. That means no drilling, no extra faucet, and no major plumbing work. The fittings are standard 3/8, compatible with most US kitchen sinks. And the package comes with everything you need: the filter, the hoses, and the mounting accessories. Despite its compact size, the internal filter media is a multi-layered filtration setup, including a coconut-based carbon block filter that's known for its high absorption capability and eco-friendliness. It's lead-free, BPA-free, and constructed from safe, food-grade materials. Installation is shockingly simple. Most users report a 3-step install process that takes less than 10 minutes. Just connect the cold water line, attach the outlet to your faucet line, and you're good to go. There's no water tank or power source needed. There's no need to shut off water or mess with tools to replace the cartridge. PUREPLUS designed the unit to allow for quick and clean filter changes. And remember, you'll only be doing that once every couple of years for most households. In everyday use, the difference is immediate. The water comes out clear, odorless, and most importantly, tastes fantastic. Cooking with filtered water improves the flavor of your food, and you'll notice tea and coffee taste richer without that chemical aftertaste. If you're in an area with high levels of chlorine, rust, or heavy metals like lead and mercury, this filter is a great safeguard. The reduction in harmful contaminants means peace of mind, especially if you have kids, pets, or vulnerable individuals in your home. At its current price, the PUREPLUS under sink water filter offers exceptional value. You're getting a multi-year filtration solution with professional-grade certifications, zero maintenance hassle, and a cleaner, safer water experience, all without modifying your kitchen setup. If you've been thinking about upgrading your tap water without the bulk or cost of a reverse osmosis system, this is the filter you've been waiting for. So there you have it, the PUREPLUS under sink water filter. Certified performance, long-lasting protection, and simplicity all packed into one small box. If you're ready to take the plunge, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hands-on product reviews. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.